Imagine a notebook that doesn't just hold your thoughts, but helps you think better. That's exactly what NotebookLM is all about. It's a smart note-taking app powered by AI, which is designed to organize your thoughts and also help you connect the dots. It's especially useful for researchers, writers, students, and even professionals who want help with organizing their thoughts and making sense of it. Let's see what NotebookLM has got to offer. So I signed up for NotebookLM just a while ago. I used my Google account. It's free. And as soon as I sign up, the first thing I've got to do is upload sources. And the sources could be a Google Doc or a slide or a website or a YouTube video, or I could even copy paste some content. I have some content already imported here. So I go to one of the documents that I had imported, which is about India's $1 trillion digital opportunity. So as soon as you import any content, NotebookLM will automatically detect the key topics in that content. So in this case, it's the Digital India program, the economic value creation, digital transformation. Let's say I want to know more about $1 trillion economy. I just click on it, and NotebookLM will automatically help me with a summary of what is covered in this particular document. I think it needs some time. Okay, not really. So yeah, here it is. It's given me a good summary of what has been covered in this particular document, which I think is 40 pages long, and I don't really have the patience to go through it. Now, this has the essence of the $1 trillion economy concept that's covered in the paper. Similarly, there are also other prompts that I could explore, or I could ask my own question about this particular paper. And the most interesting part for me was, let's say you don't have the patience to read anything at all, but you're a good listener. Then NotebookLM also allows you to convert content into an audio overview. So this audio overview would be similar to a podcast where two people are just talking about a topic. And you can use audio overviews for, let's say, any document with substantial content. It could be an MP3 file that you import, or it could also be for a YouTube video that has transcripts. So these are the prerequisites. If your content has any of these, then you will be able to generate an audio overview. And this is how it sounds.
All right, let's dive into India's digital landscape.
Can you hear?
We're talking a potential $1 trillion digital economy by 2025. A huge leap from where it stands today. We'll break down how this transformation is happening. This McKinsey report we have is going to guide us. So get ready to uncover some really interesting insights.
And it's not just about the big tech companies either. This digital wave is going to affect every.
So you can hear two people talking about this particular paper that we just imported. And there are also suggested questions. If I want to learn more about this topic, then it also suggests certain questions which helps me get more depth into this particular topic. And if you're a student, something like a study guide is what will be more useful to you. So NotebookLM also helps me create a note with a study guide for the content that I've chosen. You can create study guides for any kind of content that you import. So here it is generating. I can also create FAQs. I can create anything that's going to help me learn a concept better. See, it has everything. And let's take a look at what the videos would look like within notebook.lm. So the NotebookLM, the moment I import a YouTube video, the same thing happens. I can see key topics. I can click on a topic and understand that better, or I can click on Notebook Guide and I can listen to the audio overview. I can ask questions. All of that is done. It's very, very straightforward. And the best part about NotebookLM is that I can even connect two sources and identify an overlapping theme. So NotebookLM is also intelligent like that. Say I've chosen India's $1 trillion digital opportunity as one of the sources, and there is another source that talks about the booming fintech industry in India. The moment I connect these two sources, then NotebookLM will also be able to automatically connect the dots and help me with insights such as how growth in India's fintech industry is contributing to the larger economy, right? So those kind of overlapping topics is also something it can help us with. And this is what connecting the dots is all about, right? Let's say you have to study some subject and there are different modules that you've got to cover, and you need to identify a common theme to understand it completely. Then NotebookLM is your assistant for that. So overall, NotebookLM is, as I said, it's great for researchers, students, writers, and it's easy to get started with. And they don't have a lot of options other than whatever I've shown. There is a help center that's just going to cover all the new updates of NotebookLM along with the features, troubleshooting, glossary. So it's very, very simple, and you can change to dark mode if you want. Apart from that, yes, I think the app is very simple to use. You can create multiple notebooks. So one notebook could be, let's say, chemistry. The other notebook could be microeconomics. And you put all your research collection, the sources into it, find common themes, understand the concept, create notes. This is just going to make your process of learning anything much better and faster and super efficient. So I highly recommend people who love to learn new stuff or students to actually try this out and see how that's helping them. I really wish I had something like this while I was in college. No problem at all. I can still use this for studying new technological concepts or anything that I'm interested in. So yeah, NotebookLM is something I would highly recommend for folks that are into note taking but want an organized way to do it, in a much more efficient and faster way as well. So yeah, that's it from my reviews today. Thank you.